channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Soul Lady for sponsoring this video. They sent me over this beautiful chocolate brown jerry curl 24-inch 4x4 closure. Oh my gosh, these wigs be a mouthful. They worth it though. They worth it. As you can see yourself, the curls are beautiful. They're extremely soft, bouncy. These curls are everything. I love them. I love this color. I love the dark roots. It's like not doing too much, but it's fly, okay? If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram as well and my TikTok. I just had to start a new TikTok, y'all, so make sure you guys follow me on TikTok as well. But yes, let's get into this wig install. All right, you guys, we're working with Soul Lady today. Is this not so cute? This looks like I really went shopping and like picked up a wig. Excuse me? So cute, sleek, and classy. Yes, I like that. Empowering women to shine. So cute. Let's get into this wig, y'all. Details on the box. This is a jerry curl wig, a 4x4 24-inch wig. The packaging, beautiful. Then we got this satin bag that has your wig in it. You get two little like skin tone strips. I don't know, I'm probably gonna do this one because this one's like too orange. Anyway, yeah, so I put this underneath my wig and it's gonna give you like a scalp-like look. And the wig will be packaged in a baggie like this. This is long. You do get a little extra comb if you want to sew that on. Yes, this is giving chocolate brown. I love that. So look, it's a 4x4 closure. The parting looks really good. It does look pre-plucked as well. The sides look really good. Okay, so inside the wig looks like this. We have 4 combs in here already. Top, bottom, left, and right. Elastic adjustable band. And then your adjustable straps here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we're gonna cut it round, and then we're gonna slap it on the inside. Not slap. But yes, I'm gonna lay it on the parting. I think I'm just gonna do a middle part today. Yeah, we're gonna keep it middle. And so then I'll just stick it right on the lathe. Okay, so I just cut it down a little bit. I cut like this much off so I can lay it right on the lace like so. Like so. But first we do have to round off. Rounded it like that. Then you're just gonna pull it right off of this plastic. This is like a sticker for y'all, so we're doing this together. All right, then I'm just gonna put this on and I'll be right back, okay? It looks really good. I like that. Okay, perfect. I just laid it right on there. It wasn't too hard either. It was just hard to show you on camera with this angle. That part was too much. right, y'all, so I'm done styling the hair. The hair came out fire. Lace looking good. They did curl up a little bit. They look a little like squiggly because it's curly hair, but they still look good. This hair is soft. The curls are fire and juicy. I love this curl pattern. It's a Jerry curl. 24 inches is perfect length for me. I love this. It's not too much. It's not too short. It's not too long. This chocolate brown color, excuse me, with the black roots, with the skin. Tell me this doesn't look like scalp. That fake skin I put underneath there. No, that fake scalp though, yes. That fake scalp is scalping, okay? Love that. It's a 4x4 closure, so you know I love that too. This is what the little ear tabs look like, but no, ain't nobody looking at that. Don't worry about that part. It just looks really good. This hair feels great. The curls are soft. I think this hair is like a little bit, it's like a tiny bit damp still, just a tiny bit. But the curls are absolutely beautiful. I love these. I love this. Let me show y'all the back real quick. All right, yeah. So Soul Lady, yes. It's giving natural girl. It's giving natural curly hair. This hair feels so good though. Like it's a soft, bouncy curl, okay? Absolutely gorgeous. This is an easy one to put on. Always recommend a 4x4, 5x5, and 6x6 closure every time, or a headband wig. No, but I love this one. Make sure you guys check out the details in the description box on this wig. Discount code, all that good stuff will be in the description box, so do not skip out on that. Thank you again, Soul Lady, for sponsoring this video today. I recommend everybody go get you one of these chocolate brown Jerry curly wigs, okay? Love, love, love. Thank you again, you guys, for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.